Hi guys, my name is Shane and welcome to my company channel. We are SugarNova. We are a consulting, marketing and management company specializing in developing businesses and brands. We help strengthen your brand, increase your revenue and build your online presence. If you're passionate about your brand or even want to earn more income, we're here to guide you in the right direction. If you're an entrepreneur, a small business owner, or a corporate company that wants to take your business to the next step, we're here to help. You may even aspire to start your own business or brand, and we can help set you on that journey. If you're passionate about business and want to grow your skills, then make sure you subscribe so you can keep up to date with the content that we share. By subscribing to our channel, we'll keep you up to date with tips and tricks on leadership, business, and skills on how you can grow your business or brand. We want to grow a community that will help individuals grow through our channel. So why us? We have a history of working with talent, developing their brands and establishing their careers. We've also grown some fantastic brands and have a great experience in the corporate world. We have grown many small businesses, developing them and increasing their output across many different areas. We've also worked with large organisations growing profit margins of millions of pounds in revenue. We also have decades of experience in business management, customer and sales growth, as well as leadership strategy within the corporate sector. Now that you know who we are, please subscribe to the channel so we can keep you updated with videos that are business and entrepreneur related and also help with other tips and tricks in leadership and management. Feel free to leave a comment on what you'd like to see in the future, what topics you'd like to see us explore and how you'd like us to help you. We're really passionate about building a community online so that you have somewhere to go to so we can add value to you. You can also visit our website sugarnova.com or even drop us an email if you'd like to become a client. Left for you some of our brand partnerships in the description box so you can understand what we're going over in the next few videos. Until then, we really can't wait to build a community, come to life and really hear the feedback around what you really want to see and how we can take you to the next level. See you then guys.